Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this GOOLOO jump starter slash tire inflator. So this is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, how it works, and then I'll give them overall feedback at the end. So my tire here is low. So all you're going to do is that you're going to screw in tire nozzle right here in the screws. Make sure that it's nice and tight. I'm going to long press the power button. And you can see how it turns on. I'm going to set my tire pressure to 35. Right there. Let me unscrew this. So once you put this on your tire, it tells you what the tire pressure is for your tire. So I'm at 27. Let's see how long it takes to inflate it to 35. And then next, you're just going to press the start button. Okay, and then you see once it reaches the desired pressure, it stops automatically. Another great feature with this tire inflator is that it's cordless. So you could use this anywhere without having to worry about plugging it in. Just make sure to keep the batteries charged. So you can see here that it comes with different accessories. I'm going to fill up my basketball since it's low. You see how low it is? So you have all these different accessories. If you need to fill up floats, you can use these. Here are different adapters that you have. So here's my basketball one. So you're just going to make sure this is up. Then you're just going to push this in. And once it goes in, then you just close it. So now it's nice and tight. I'm going to turn it on the unit. I'm going to press this button right here on top to switch it to basketball. See? So it has a basketball icon. If I want to change the pressure, I could go up if I want to. So I'm going to put it at 12. Insert it into my basketball. And then press the power button to start it. I'm actually going to stop it there. You just press the stop button. It's nice and firm. So you can see now it's nice and firm. Another great feature is that you're able to set the different modes. So this reads it in kPa. If you have an SUV, you set it up there. If you have a car, you set it there. Your bicycle, or even your balls. So you have different options and different settings for this to work properly for the different items that you're trying to inflate. You see it has the USB-A output, so you could charge a device using this. And then your input is USB-C. Here you have a light, so it has 3 different modes: steady, strobing, and then the SOS mode also. And then it has this handle right here to carry it properly. If you need to use this as the jump starter, you're just going to take the cover off. You're going to plug it in to the designated spot, like so. And then next, you're going to attach the red is going to go to the positive, black is going to go to the negative. So you're going to go like this. And then this has the safety feature. If you see the green light and it says correct, that means that you got it in the right position. If mistakenly you put it backwards, then it's going to show the red light and it's saying that it's reversed. Okay, so you're going to put it back to the right positions. And then once you're ready, and then you're going to start the car. If your battery is low on here, you're going to press the boost button, wait the 30 seconds, and then you're going to start the car again. So here's your jump starter slash inflator. It's made very well. It has a good weight to it. It even has a handle to hold it. Here's your display screen right here. You touch the button, you long press it to turn it on. So it shows your battery levels, what PSI that you set it to, the current PSI, and then here shows the car. You could increase the PSI using the plus button, decrease it. Here's a light. So there's your light right there. It's made very rugged. This thing has a 3000 amp jump starter and 150 PSI tire inflator. So the light button has 3 different light modes. So you have your standard light, you press it again, it has a strobe, and then it has another emergency SOS light. And then you press it again to turn it off. So here it comes with your tire inflator hose, different attachments for your tire inflator. Here's your jump starter, and then the USB-C charging cord. And then it also has this carrying case that stores the inflator and all your accessories also. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great jump starter slash tire inflator. I like how powerful it is to jump start a dead battery. I also like how the tire inflator fills up the tire very quickly. The battery and life on this lasts a decent amount of time, and I like how well it's made, and I also like how it has the built-in light, and I like how it comes with this case. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching.